Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a super simple and beautiful mani for this fall with branches, trees, and leaves. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first, I'm gonna apply my base coat to protect my natural nails. And for the base color, I'm gonna be using Express to Impress by Expressie. So this dries super fast, so it's very easy to work with. Then I will apply the Holo Solar Unicorn Skin, and I'll be using the Kads Nature 017 plate with the warm cacao from Hansen. This is not a stamping polish, as you see it's very watery, so I was scared at the beginning. I thought it wouldn't work, but it did. As long as you have a clear background, it will look brown and it's not as harsh as using black. Then I'm using these other trees without any branches for my index and my pinky nail. Then I'll be using the other part of this plate, which are the leaves. So I'm using Hansen Just in Wine and Moyou London Classic Lipstick. And I'm just gonna scrape once so I don't blend the colors. And I have some leaves that are gonna be darker and other ones that are gonna be more orangey. So I'm just gonna start placing them, and then I'm gonna use Tangerine Dream. This is like a cheddar yellow, and I'm gonna mix them with the other colors that I have on the trees. So you can work the way that I showed you before, or you can work this way. I think this way probably is easier, and then you have your design. Then I'm gonna apply this Smudge free top coat and the Essie dry fast top coat to finish this look. And here's the final result. In my opinion, it turned out beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!